Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in a Ford C-Max from 2012. Just as an idea, this is what we are putting in, but now we need to undo a few little tiny screws. One is hidden in there, so I think there are 4 screws in total we need to undo to get this cover off. 7mm screw head. Let's undo them all 4. Screws are captive, so in theory you shouldn't be able to lose them in the engine bay. Now this thing should be coming off, but it's a bit stubborn. I think I need both hands to start prying it apart. Okay, I must honestly tell you, I never had one of these covers come apart this hard. I just needed to start prying on it, wiggling, pushing, pulling. It came out in the end. Yikes, that's freaking really dirty. But this is extremely stubborn compared to other brands that I worked on. So yeah, really freaking weird. It was really well stuck in there. So now, in theory, we kind of need to get this one out, pulling on the end, get it out of here, and get rid of it. But yikes, this is way dirtier than it gets in my A4B8. Did I change this last year when I paid for them to change it? It looks way too bad. I'm curious how it will look when I change it next time myself again. And now I'm ready. I cleaned just a little bit in there, so let me try and show you. There are a few drain holes, so I wanted to make sure they are cleaned. It's not perfect, but yeah, perfect means different things for different people, so I never aim for perfect anymore, just good enough. Let's put this back. Yeah, the other one, not original, the other one was a bit thicker. It was almost to this line that you see right here, so it had a bit more filtering material than this one, but I don't see that as an issue. Let's see how we can get it in there, and it's in. And now somehow to make sure that it's where it should be. Yeah, it's not in enough because it's not aligned here. So yeah, need both hands and be back in a second. I don't get it. This filter seems to be just a few millimeters longer than it needs to be, or I'm unable to properly compress it in this area. I am rotating and squeezing and pushing, but it's still just a tiny bit longer than it should be. So that's freaking annoying. This is a really stupid filter to install. If you can get an original one, or I don't know. This one is almost fitting, but not quite fitting. Nope, this diameter is just a bit too tight. I'm going to try and put just a tiny bit of oil in it. Maybe I can push it properly in there. It just wasn't going in enough. Let's try this again with a bit of oil. And it's freaking in. It has 2 little tongues in there that when it slides in, push it all the way like that, but it wasn't going in. So I needed to put some oil and rotate a bit with it to be able to push it in there. This is freaking weird. Never saw anything like this in any other car. Fords are weird for me. And now for the normally simple part in any other car, just putting the cover back on. In this Ford, who knows? I don't have a clue. Kind of need to align it to make sure it fits over the filter properly. Okay, because it seems the end of the filter actually remains out. They couldn't make the cover fit all around, so anyway, seems to be going in there. Now I just need to tighten the screws. So yeah, what can I say, my friends? Lube it up, or otherwise it won't go in. Yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and always I don't know, be nice to your car and change oil, filters and everything else so it's nice to you too. Bye.